Hi everyone, welcome back to Dragon Image. Today we're here to look at background solutions for people out there that are trying to create a more permanent kind of solution, which can be either ceiling mounted or wall mounted. To do that, you'd need a couple of different accessories. One of those accessories being a triple hook. Triple hooks are available in either 3, 4, or 6, being named accordingly, so a quad hook and a 6 hook. They can be mounted on the ceiling like this, or they can be mounted on the wall like this. Normally what you use to attach to these is a thing called X-band. So X-bands are these little things here. And as the name suggests, when you turn this knob at the back, this part goes in and expands this white part. To do that, all you do is put it inside the tube, loosen it up to get it in, and once it's in, you turn it and it goes tight. The X-band itself has two parts, so one here and one here, and what that does is when it's like this, it goes into the hook that way, and when it's ceiling mounted, it goes in the other way, and the white part allows the chain not to be hitting the other X-bands below it. This is the chain system here. Obviously they come a lot longer than this, and this is the weight at the bottom. Basically, all these do so there's click together. So you can, if you break a particular clip, you can just easily replace it. And then you run it around the tube. Like that. And that allows, as I turn this, it then turns the tube, allowing my background to go either up or down. And there you have it. So if you're interested in a solution for backgrounds, please contact your local Dragon Image and we're happy to help. Thanks.